And today's session will be a fast-paced session. So we will provide the links for the website so that you could familiarize more with that. And all of you might be very familiar with the bicycle. And now we will just have a look at the various components where it is placed. Typically, where you place the pedal is part of the crankset, and chain wheel is part of the crankset. Crankset, when you say, it includes chain wheel plus bottom bracket. And this is a cassette or freewheel, and this is a rear derailleur. And typically, if it's a geared bike, you will have a front derailleur over here on supported on the seat tube, and then shifters, which is typically on your handlebar. And traditionally, some of the olden bikes you can see in the classic series, especially shifters on the down tube. And this is a different view, so that a more zoomed view version. Typically, the shifters, front derailleurs, crankset, cassette, rear derailleur. Now we will have a look at the front derailleurs. As you know that revo shifters is one of the very popular component, and many people has a feel that revo shifters are typically a basic level components, and in India, which is more widely seen on the basic range of bicycles. But on the contrary, it's a very widely popular component, and it's very high quality and high lifespan. That's perhaps the reason Shimano uses this in the urban series on the high-end ranges. And revo shifters, you can shift using your hand fingers by rotating. Now we will also have a look at some of the high-end revo shifters brands, which is manufactured by Shimano. You can see the Nexus, Nexus and Urban Range primarily use that rotary shifting mechanism. And probably you may not have seen these components because in India very rarely manufacturers come out of these range of equipments, because in India mostly the bicycles which you seen as urban are typically a frame which is more of a city riding, but it still shares the components of mountain bike. Now we also have a look at the Tourney revo shifters. These are typically the high-end Tourney revo shifters which has a display. So now you might have familiarized with the various bicycle rotary shifters which you have seen in your normal bikes, and these are the typical high-end ones. And next we will have a look at the rapid fire shifters. This is typically used in the mountain bicycles and especially on the high-end range, and you basically shift using your thumb. And the next is very popular component, especially on the entry to mid-level bikes. This is the easy fire shifters, and this one of the key feature of this component is that your brake lever is integrated and is part of that.